This is why you need Go Safari Balls in Pokémon Go. Ready to boost your catch rate for rare Pokémon? Go Safari Balls are special Pokeballs with a higher catch rate than even Ultra Balls. Perfect for those elusive rare Pokémon like Mighty Pokémon and Galarian birds. But here's the catch. These balls are event exclusive and vanish at the end of the day. So how do you get your hands on them? Complete timed research tasks during the event. There are free and paid versions available. If you grab a paid event ticket, you'll get more opportunities to earn these valuable balls. Remember, even the paid Go Safari Balls disappear at the end of the event day. So don't forget to use them up, catching those rare Pokémon before time runs out. Got it? Great! Now get out there and catch them all. What if I told you there's a whole new way to catch rare Pokémon this weekend? Buckle up, trainers! This November 23rd and 24th, dive into the wild area with rotating electric and poison habitat hours. Each habitat switches hourly, giving you 8 full hours to snag those unique Pokémon. But that's not all. Keep your eyes peeled for mighty Pokémon. These new wild powerhouses are game changers, appearing only during this event. And for all you raid enthusiasts, brace yourselves. From 3-star raids to the legendary origin form Dialga and Palkia, the raid roster is stacked. Plus, there's no remote raid pass limit from November 22nd to 23rd, so raid your heart out. Feeling daring? Jump into max battles for Dynamax and Gigantamax encounters. Just remember, these battles are tough and require a team effort. No remote raid passes allowed here. So trainers, mark your calendars and charge those phones. Pokémon Go Wild Area 2024 is the event you don't want to miss. Catch 'em all and good luck out there.